finish the bubble removal step. So this step you have to take more care. Use the alignment mode to do alignment. It is the metal one. And then put the glass on the LCD. The tips on this step will be that while you put the new glass on LCD, do not press the new glass. Just put it on the LCD and then take it out and put it on to the bubble remover machine. But do not press it, because if you press the new glass to the LCD, it will be sealed between the glass with the LCD, and that will result in dead bubbles very easily. Put like this. Okay, and then take it into the mini laminating machine. Okay, close the door. The door it is like the lock screw, and it does not need any screws. And click the start button and wait for 6 minutes. It will stop automatically, and then we will see the result. And you can hear that while this machine is in operation, there is no noise. It is really quiet. Is over. Okay, and then we will see what happens inside.